Good evening all, welcome to Creative Bloom. Thank you for your time. Today we'll be learning how to create video using picture and music. So let's dive in. First and foremost, we're going to be opening our CapCut. Yes, all you need to do is to create an account. If you don't have CapCut, but if you have, you just log in. Alright, so we're going to be clicking on template. Yes, template, you can see it downward here. Let's click on it. And we're going to search for photo video. Yes, that's what we're going to search for. Photo video. Photo video. Okay, and you hit search. Yes, take note of the picture. This is 29 clip or photo. This is 10 pics clip, so it tells you this is 32, meaning for you to use this template you need to have 32 photos. This is 17, so it's written there on the capture. Let's look for a smaller one. Let's see if we can see 5, 4, or if you can see anything smaller than that. This is 45. Let's keep searching. Let's keep searching. This 10. Okay. Alright, let's use this 9 epic transition. 9 pics. Okay. Or we can go with 10. Let's go with 10. I think I love this. I love this design. Okay, I've seen 8 pics. So we're going to be using this. So I'll click on it. Click on the 8 pics. Let's click on it. Okay. So we'll click on use this template. Use this template. The next thing we're going to do is to select the pictures we want to use. We want to select the pictures we want to use. Alright, so we want to select it. Okay, I think that's all. Okay, I think that's all. Alright, we click next. Then if you want to change the song, you click here. Let's get another song. Let's go with Arabic. Okay. You can explore the varieties of music that you have. You can explore any of them. Okay, we click on add. That's been added. Okay. Added already. If you want to do more edition, you click on edit more. Probably yes, with this we'll be able to add a cover. So click on cover. I've already designed my cover before now. So click upload. Let's click upload. This is my cover. So I'll click on it. And I'm going to save our picture. Click on save. You can see it has appeared. on the cover page. If you want to add music, you can add. Let's add music, sound. Keep trying to see the one you like. If I like this, click on the plus sign to add. Alright, let's see how it goes. Okay, so we're going to edit the sound. Going to edit the volume, it's too loud. Let's reduce it. Good evening all, welcome to Creative Bloom. It's still very loud. Thank you. Good evening all, welcome to Creative Bloom. Thank you for your time. Today we'll be learning how. Okay, I think it's so loud. Let's see if we can change it to something more. We're going to the sound. I want to change it.